Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-install at gumamit ng AI Elsa. So first, go to your Play Store and search AI Elsa. Then, click install sa pangalawang application na lumabas. After you install the app, exit your Play Store. Find the application in your homepage named Elsa Speak. And here you need to log in your account. And since I was just showing you how to use it, I'm gonna choose continue as guest. At dito, magpipili ka kung paano mo ba gagamitin sa Elsa. Kung gusto mo mag-aral ng English at iba pa, depende sa gusto mo. At dito, pipili ka kung ano ba ang gusto mong pag-aralan. Practice your daily lesson, improve pronunciation, study by topic, or earn a certificate. That's all guys, thank you.